Namaste everybody, this is Pasha here from Krishna Pearls and Jewelers, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, Hyderabad. I came with a very nice stuff today, very nice collections, necklace and pearl chains, and the gifting purpose also, and very nice coral with pearl combination. See, we'll start from this gifting set like this. See, this is a double line pearl chain here and with a pendant. On top of the pendant we have put a pearl. See this one, this is a two layer pearl chain with pendant. It's a very nice stringing. The base material what we have used here, alloy. This comes with the earrings also. I'll show the earrings. See, two lines. Very nice pearl chain. This is a freshwater pearls. The CZ what you have is used here surrounding. On bottom of the surrounding of the pearl here, and these are all natural freshwater pearls. Base material is alloy what we have used here. See, 5 pendant here, and middle also we have given small pendant. It's very beautiful, very nice set. I'll show this matching earring also of this. See, this is short hanging here. Very nice earrings comes with this set, and this is costing you 8,900 rupees. And we are offering 20% off on this one. The gifting purpose is a very nice piece. You can see. And I got a bracelet also, some bracelets also. If you want to match with this, some kind of bracelet like this, you'll get in the different sizes. See this one, the again pearl bracelet, the very nice freshwater pearl bracelet, and it comes in the different colors like this. These are all natural freshwater pearls. See this one. So please do visit our website, or you can call to our number, WhatsApp number 92480-36721. Here it is situated in Hyderabad, Krishna Pearls and Jewelers. It is near metro station, Jubilee Hills, road number 36. So if you are in Hyderabad, please do visit our store. We will get a lot of collection in gold, diamond jewelry also, and we have silver articles and very nice pearl collection also we have. So I am going to show one more product. See, this is base material what we have used here is a gold one. In bottom here is a coral stone, and here onyx stone is a caviar stone. And these are all CZs here, and these are all natural pearls. You can see the shape of the pearls is different here. In the middle of what we have given some colors of color stones to make a beauty of this chain. See this one is a drop shape here in the bottom pendant, and back side what we have given adjustable thread here. You can see this one, very beautiful chain. See how nice it is, and these are all natural pearls. And the gold what we have used here is a 22 karat gold, very lightweight jewelry. Pendant is very lightweight. So approximately what we have used in here gold is 9.8 grams. 9.8 grams of gold in the total here in this pendant. And these are all natural pearls. In the drop shape here also what we have given, these are freshwater pearls here. See how pretty it is, very nice string. The chain are here, 4 lines chains. 4 line pearl chains here. The different shape here, pearls. See the pearls. Is a totally different shape. You can see. And the cost is around approximately 93,000 rupees. Very nice pearl chain here. Pearl with gold pendant. And please do visit our Instagram or website. You can do visit here our WhatsApp number 92480-36721, or you can log on to our website www.krishnapearls.com. You can follow our Instagram also. Lot of design we have on Instagram. We have very nice collection in road number 36 Jubilee Hills. We have store, if you want to go in city also, we have in near Charminar, Pattargatti. We are going there also. We have one more store. It's the name of Krishna Pearls and Dealer. You can visit that store also. We have in Taj Krishna also. In High Tech City, we have one more store in Novotel HICC, Hyderabad International Convention Center. There also you can visit it. So if you want shipping also, we are doing free shipping all over India, pan India. Free shipping you will get it, and 20% off on the pearls, on pearl jewelry if it is silver based. Or you can visit our website, or you can call to our 92480-36721. This is a WhatsApp number. You will get immediately reply. So one more set I am going to show you at the gifting purpose. See, this is a button shaped pearl here. These are silver color balls. These are colored balls here, silver color balls. And matching earring also you will get it. And if you want to add a bracelet also, it is separate. You can add bracelet also with this to match with this. The gifting purpose, very nice piece. See this one. And with the earring and the necklace is costing you approximately 6,000 rupees. This one with the earrings. The bracelet is separate. Is approximately 1,700 rupees. These are also freshwater pearls, button shaped pearls. With the close to neck, it will come here like this. See, is openable. Yeah, it will wear like this, close to neck. It's a double line, 2 lines, one on top of this. And similar you will get in yellow also. Instead of this silver color balls, you will get in yellow also. I am going to show you earrings also here. See this one, very pretty earrings. And earrings are changeable. If she want to use it as a pearl stud, that can be worn like this. It will come out from this one and it will become a stud. See, like this. And she want to go for hangings. It's a small attachment what we have given here on the top. It will get attached. See, like this. See, now it has become an attachment like this. So it's a very pretty set. It comes with the earrings and the necklace here. See, for gifting, for office wear, it's very nice piece. It's costing you around about 6,000 rupees. And if you want to add a bracelet also, it's available. It's an elastic bracelet, stretchable. It will be a free size bracelet. The same thing here, what we have used, the freshwater pearls, and surrounding is silver balls here. And again, you are getting free shipping all over India, and you will get 20% off on this one. Flat 20% off what we are giving the MRP price. So we are not charging for the shipping also. You will get free shipping. Please do visit our website www.krishnapearls.com, or you can follow our Instagram, or you can direct call to our number 92480 It's a WhatsApp number. Krishna Pearls and Jewelers. It is situated in Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills, road number 36. It is near metro station, near checkpost, Jubilee Hills checkpost. Please do visit our website, or if you are in Hyderabad, please do visit our store. We have a lot of collection in gold, diamond jewelry, and silver articles, and pearl jewelry also. So I am going to show you one more necklace with a gold combination. Is a coral. Nowadays, very demand of coral nowadays. It's very pretty and nice. The natural color corals. See this one. It is studded in gold. Again 22 carat. And here in the down we have used 5 lines here, and in between the green stone. The antique look what we have given to the necklace, just like a brooch here. Pendants. So 2 brooches what we have given here. See this one. Back side what we have given a gold chain and hook. It can be, you can exchange the length also by adding some links or threads to the back of this. 2 brooches here I can show you. See, this is a very nice piece. 22 carat gold what we have used in here with a pearl combination. Pearl and coral. So the net weight is here approximately 32 grams. 32 grams in 22 carat with the antique finish. Pearl with coral combination. This is costing you approximately 3 lakh rupees overall, only for the chain. See this one. For query you can call to our number 92480-36721, or you can log on to our website www.krishnapearls.com, or you can follow our Instagram Krishna Pearls and Jewelers, road number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. It is situated near checkpost, near metro station. It is a very easy address in Hyderabad. Or if you are out of Hyderabad, we can ship also. Shipping is available, free shipping. I am going to show one more very nice pretty chain, twisted chain. See, this is a twisted pearl chain. There is no gold in between, no silver. It is a natural freshwater rice pearls. See, it is a twisted chain. You can twist and wear it. It looks very nice. It has 6 layers. 6 layers of chain here. See this one. To just twist like this and wear it. It's a very nice piece. This will match with any dress. So because of white pearls, no need to add any particular thing. It's a very nice piece. This 6 layers, if you twist it, it looks like this. It's a very nice piece. It's costing you 9,500 rupees. We have different in this 4 lines also, and slightly smaller size also you'll get it in this one if you want to go. And bracelet also, even you can match any bracelet, any of this or similar to like this also, small bracelet will come. I just shown for this for a demo, and for gifting purpose also very nice piece. It's costing you approximately 9,500 rupees. And we are giving 20% off on this MRP. And even you can go with the bangles also. See, very nice pretty bangle I got you. See, it will match with this. The sizes are available in 24, 26 and 28, and they openable here. It can be open if it one size is decreased. See, I'll show you. It's openable here. Link is here, and the soft alloy with silver mix jewelry. See, very pretty piece. And the pearl are all drill and stitched with the thread here. They are not with the glue, they are stitched with the thread. What we have used here, a nylon thread here. Very nice piece. See, it comes with pair, a 2 pieces pair here. We are giving 2 pieces. This is costing you 5,900 rupees for this pair. See, very pretty piece. And the pearl, the freshwater pearls, what we have used in here. Inside also you can see the thread stitched. All the pearl are stitched here, each one by one. Here we are using in the border small pearls, in the middle slightly bigger pearls, to give a beauty of this bangle. It's a very nice piece. See, and sizes are available in 24, 26, 28. 3 sizes available here. The cost is 5,900 bucks, and on top of this you will get 20% off and totally free shipping all over India. You will get it. See this one. I got one more multicolor bangle here. I'll show you. See, very slim bangle here with multicolor stones. There are color stones here, green, red, orange, and this white is pearls here. And the pair is 4 pieces pair. The set of 4 pieces here. Again, this is silver with alloy with the yellow polish. The 4 pieces is costing you 5,500 rupees. Again, these are all available in the 24, 26 and 28 size. See how pretty it is. It will match with any dress because of multicolor. I can show you from inside also. See, this is the border of this. See how nice it is. You can match with any pearl string, any gold string, any coral string also. So please do visit our website krishnapearls.com, or you can directly call to our number, WhatsApp number 924803671, or you can follow our Instagram. It is in Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills, situated near metro station, checkpost, Hyderabad, and we are giving free shipping all over India. Once again, I will show you all product from far. You can just have a look surrounding. See, this is a pearl set. This comes with the earrings. The double line chain. This what I have shown is the gold product, gold brooch. The natural pearls here. This one button shaped pearls. Matching bracelet also I have this one. Matching bracelet, you can go with this one. And the coral with pearl chain. This is also very pretty piece. And the bangle what I have shown you just now. And lot of collection, lot more collection we have here. If you have any query, you can just visit our website or you can call to our number 924803671. You can place an order. Very nice collection we have. So please do visit our store if you are in Hyderabad, or you can log on to our website. So today is Sunday. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Thank you viewers. Thank you. Have a nice day.